Hello again, it's Jason Carlson. Long time no see. And it's here. This is the Bearsback Challenge lock from Cherokee Lock Picking. And there's a lot of other locks in here as well, but I am going to do that little review later. What I want to do now is that beastie right there. So I'm going to set those aside and I will do an unboxing of the rest of it later. So here we go, all packaged up, sealed, and ready to give it a try. I have not decided if there's a time frame that I'm going to give it a shot at. I might just see what happens. Must relax. Love that. Bearsback. And the lock. Beautiful lock. Yale. Stock Lock Challenge. Okay. Definitely works. Set that off to the side. Move some things around here. Get it open. How do I want to do this? You know what? Let's put it in like this. We'll know when it's going to be open. It will turn. Let's see if we got things in frame here. And zoom in a little bit. Oh, let's go. Here we go. I've only seen this open once, and it's a myriad of different tools required. So, a little leisurely Sunday morning pick, that's not going to work. Let's try that one. Dog hair. Yeah. And here we go. Okay. Nice false set. Some counter rotation there. Gonna need a stronger pick. Let's go with this one. Two. Okay. Back to the false set. Tensioners coming out. Go for it here. Maybe the dogs will be here to cheer me on. Okay. Back lines. Okay, yeah, you're right. This is a tough little beastie. set. and things in the front drop when the stuff in the back gets set. Sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm trying to focus on the picking of the lock. And back in the back. Very light tension. Should have taken some arthritis medicine before digging into it. Ah! Okay. Get in there. There's one. Back into that false set again. Okay. I think I'm oversetting stuff like crazy. Relax. Take it easy. Okay, there's this pin. One's good. No. Nice big fault set there. And that's finding that crucial one. And there it is. Beauty. Got it. That was Bearsback's Whooo stock challenge lock, and I got it open. I have no idea the time frame on that, but I do not feel comfortable nor capable of opening this particular lock, gutting it, and showing it off. This is going to be on to the next picker. Thank you very much for Cherokee Lock Picking to send it my direction, and you know, that made my day. Absolutely made my day. So I'm going to get this uploaded and celebrate my Sunday with some chocolate ice cream, I think, and some time with my wife. everybody out there, thank you so much for being part of this community and supporting everybody in this community. I'm going to put the name in the book and get it back out in the world. Remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.